In this video, we'll show you how to create a simple rental transaction in Viberent. Go to the transaction menu and click rental transaction/invoice. When the screen is loaded, select the customer for whom you're going to create the rental. Say, for example, we create this rental for Vinara Nursery. Select the customer and click Use Entry. And the system tells you address exists for this customer. So I'm going to select the bill to address, and this is where the invoice is going to be sent to. That's the billing address. And on the right side, I specify the shipping address. The contact name is John Smith, and the address is 12 Lansdowne Street, Benara, Purely 4122. Then I need to specify the items that I'm going to rent to this customer. Go to the item details tab. Select the items that you're going to rent. Now, if you know the item details, you can start typing in the item code. Say, for example, I want to rent out a nightstand. So I'll just put in night, and then the system comes up with the nightstands that you have available. Either you can select the items like that, or you can also search for an item using this search button, the magnifying glass with a plus sign. I can click that, and then I can select the subcategory. Okay, I'm going to select some bar chairs. Or I change my mind, I want to select some bedroom items. If I want to look at the images of the item, I can click on show image, and the system will show the images of the items. So I can select an item. To select it, just double click it or click and click the use entry. System tells me that I have 99 units of this item available to rent. Then I specify the rental type. Okay, I'm going to rent it for say for 4 weeks, and if there is any 4-week rental pricing specified, the system will show it. Otherwise, you can enter it as say $20 or something like that. Okay, then I can specify the date. Okay, this is being rented from March 4, and then it goes up to 4 weeks to 31st of March. Okay, so that's all I need to select. However, I can also specify when I'm going to deliver the item. I can deliver it the day before, and I can pick it up a day later. So I'm going to deliver it on the 3rd of March, and I'm going to pick it up on I'll leave it at 31st of March. Okay, now once I have selected these, I can also specify the quantity here. Okay, suppose I want 2 of these blanket box. I can specify that I want 2 of these. Okay, and I'm going to simply save the line. For 2 units at $20 per 4 weeks, I have got $40 plus $4 tax, and the total is $44. Now I can select the next item as well. Now I just want to make it a bit more user-friendly for my customer, so I'm going to specify some heading lines here. Simply click this middle button called clear, and I can enter a line description called living room. Okay, so my intention is to add some living room items below this header line. So I'll save the line, and then I'm going to select the living room items. So I'm going to include, say, some sofas. I'll select my sofas, and I like this particular one, a Jacob 2-seater sofa, a Lee's 2-seater sofa. I like the purple color, so I'll select this one. And the system tells me that I have 2 units available, and I can specify I'm going to rent it out for $50 for 4 weeks. I'm going to save the line. So you can keep on building your entries like this. Okay. Now I can specify whether I'm going to deliver to the customer or pick up from customer. So I'm going to deliver the customer on the 4th or on the 3rd at 12 noon. Okay, and I want to pick it up on the 31st at 5 p.m. Okay, I'm going to charge a customer some delivery amount. I go to other charges, click on add custom charges, and I'm going to select delivery. I'm going to charge the customer delivery of, say, they're a good customer, I know them very well, so I'm only going to charge them $75. I'm going to charge them $75 and I'll save the transaction. So this is how you create a simple rental transaction. When the transaction is ready, you can print it, you can email it. If you want to email it, you can simply select email, select the template I want to use. I want to send an invoice template. I can simply specify Dear John, so it's kind regards Viberent staging team, and I can select the images that I want to include, and I can simply click send email at this stage. Hope you find this video useful. If you have any comments or other details that you want to share with us, simply click this feedback button on your Viberent screen and you can send us the details. Thank you for watching this video.